Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete browsing data in Opera browser step by step. Whether you want to clear your history, cookies, or cached files, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process. Let's get started and keep your browser clean and private. First, open the Opera browser on your computer. Now click the Opera logo located in the top left corner of the screen to open the main menu. From the menu, select Settings. Inside Settings, find and click on Privacy and Security from the left sidebar. Then click on Delete Browsing Data. You will see a window pop up. Make sure to click the Advanced tab to get more options. Now, under Time Range, you can choose how far back you want to delete your data. Last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, all time. Below that, check the types of data you want to remove. You can choose from, like browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, passwords and autofill data if needed. After selecting what you want to delete, click the Delete Data button. Opera will begin deleting the selected information from your browser. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your browsing data in Opera. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.